Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do the chapter tenses from a grammar book. Okay, tenses is basically it is time that tells you when the thing has happened. Okay, so it tells you about the time. Okay, so here the past is you. There are three kind of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. So the past is used to describe things that have already happened. The things that has already done is called is described in past tense. See, for example, earlier in the day means it has already happened yesterday. It's gone. It's not going to come back. The present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now. Present means it is still going on, it is happening right now. Okay, so that is in present tense. So today we use for it today. Okay, the next one is future tense. The future tense describe things that are yet to happen. It hasn't yet still happened, but it will happen later or tomorrow, or maybe after some time. Okay, not sure, but yes, it will happen. So that is known as future. So the time that we have right now is known as present tense. The time that has already gone, we have already done things in it, that is known as past tense. And the time that will come, for which we have made so many plans, is known as future tense. Okay, so just go see this table very carefully. If you study this table very carefully, we will not go into so much of detail in the chapter, but just go through this entire table. Everything, it will become very easy for you to understand. Okay, everything is given in this table. You will have no difficulty in understanding tenses. Okay, so just go through this table very carefully. See, here is simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Okay, I play football, I played football, and I will play football. Here in past tense we add ed, here we add will. Okay, because it is yet to happen, it has already happened, and this is happening. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Here in present continuous, I am playing football. Here ing is used. Here I was playing football means it's already gone. Here I will play football means I will is still, it's going to come. Okay, continuation means it is still going to, it is happening, or it has already happened, or it will happen, means in continuation form it will be happening. Okay, so I in continuation you add ing. Next is present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. I have played football. In present you add have, in past you have add had. Okay, so I have played football means I have just played football and have come home, so it has just happened. I had played football means I had already played football in the morning, so that's already gone time. I would have played football means he said shayad I would have played football, means I'm not sure. I would have means played, not sure about it. Okay, here in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. See, mixture of these two. Okay, present continuous perfect, continuous perfect, continuous perfect here. So I already taken I from here, have taken from present because we have next is present, and then we have continuous. So from continuous we are taking ing. Okay, being you have to add. I have been playing football means I have been playing football means from a very long time I've been playing football, I am still playing football. And here you are adding I had been playing football. Your I is added from both. Had is taken from perfect, and playing is taken from continuous. Okay, here also you have to add been. Here I would have been playing football. So here I is taken from these three, would have been taken from perfect, and been is taken from continuation. Sorry, playing is taken from continuation form. You have to add have been. Okay, here have is there, no? So have been, would have been. Understood? So this is the table. If you go through this table very carefully, you will understand the chapter. It is no use of going into so much of details and definitions. Just go through this chapter and you will understand the whole tenses. Okay, and if you have any kind of problem, you can ask. Thank you.